gonna get hurt. Someone's gonna blow an Achilles.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you guys?
I mean, not too pumped.
Oh, 1 to 10, yeah.
Whose stupid idea was this today?
Yeah, this is a terrible idea.
Dude, I'm getting attacked by fucking ants. Look at that.
Oh, Jesus.
I was on vacation all week in the mountains. I didn't have any fun.
Sorry you were on vacation.
I didn't want to do this this week.
Listen, you
Sorry.
sissy ass bitches.
What?
Quit crying.
We're fighting.
I know you are. God. Men in tights should not fight like this.
So Humison started running this week, you know, and he thinks he's fast and all that shit, you know. He's been training now and he's gonna run fast. Cheeseburger in that mouth, dude.
Here we go.
Yeah,
Here we go. It's alright. I'm gonna draft off your white ass and kick you down in the final.
yeah, because you have to do everything you can to cheat.
Check the spelling on those hats. I did this time.
Get set. Go.
Every day is a new day. I'm thankful for every breath I take. I won't take it for granted. So I learn from my mistakes. It's beyond my control. Sometimes it's best to let go. Whatever happens in this lifetime. So I trust in love. You have given me peace of mind. I feel so alive. For the very first time. I can't deny you. I feel so alive. For the very first time. And I think I can fly. Sunshine upon my face. A new song for me to sing. Tell the world how I feel inside. Even though it might cost me everything. Now that I know this, all beyond I control this, I can never turn my back away. Now that I see you, I can never look away. I feel so alive. For the very first time, I can't deny you. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. For the very first time. And I think I can fly. And now that I know you, I could never turn my back away. And now that I see you, I could never look away. And now that I know you, I could never turn my back away. And now that I see you, I believe no matter what they say. I feel so alive. For the very first time, I can't deny you. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. For the very first time, and I think I can fly. I feel so alive. For the very first time, and I think I can fly. I feel so alive. For the very first time, and I think I can fly. And I think I can fly.
I gotta let you have this one, I'll take it down.
He had me by like 40 meters all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It's good, man.
I
Oh, he
didn't
got you at the end? I didn't have enough kick.
I started kicking like right about halfway down those bleachers. It was just too far.
I didn't kick
You guys were kicking too.
I kind of kicked around the.
We went dancing across the USA on that crazy King's Highway. Too much passion, too much play. We went dancing, dancing, dancing across the USA. Well, the curtain falls too early, so they say. Some will go, others just stay and stay.